Why do personal injury attorneys face disbarment? Imagine trusting a lawyer to fight for your rights after an accident, only to find out they broke the rules and lost their license. That's why understanding why personal injury attorneys face disbarment is so important. Personal injury lawyers handle sensitive cases where clients often trust them with large sums of money from settlements. If an attorney mishandles these funds, like stealing or not accounting for them properly, they risk losing their license. This breach of trust is a serious violation of ethical standards. Dishonesty is another major reason for disbarment. If a lawyer forges documents, makes false statements, or misleads the court or clients, they violate the core principles of honesty and integrity. Such actions can lead to disbarment because they undermine the fairness of legal proceedings. Negligence or incompetence can also cause disbarment. If an attorney repeatedly misses deadlines, mishandles cases, or shows a lack of knowledge, they put clients' interests at risk. Especially in personal injury cases, where clients depend on timely and proper representation, this can lead to disciplinary actions. Conflicts of interest are a serious concern. If a lawyer represents to clients with opposing interests without proper disclosure or breaches confidentiality, they violate ethical rules. This can damage the trust clients place in their attorneys and lead to sanctions. Criminal activity involving moral misconduct, like felonies or serious crimes, can also result in disbarment. Courts and bar associations expect lawyers to uphold high moral standards. When an attorney commits a crime that reflects poorly on their character, they can lose their license. Substance abuse that impairs an attorney's ability to practice ethically is another risk. If drugs or alcohol affect their judgment or performance, they may be disbarred if they do not seek help and continue to practice while impaired. Ignoring court orders or violating professional conduct rules is a clear violation of ethical standards. Persistent disobedience or misconduct can lead to disbarment, especially if it harms clients or the justice system. Disbarment procedures involve investigations and hearings by state bar associations or courts. They look at whether misconduct was intentional, how much harm was caused, and if there are any mitigating factors. The penalties range from reprimands to permanent disbarment, depending on severity. Losing a license has serious consequences. It damages a lawyer's reputation, causes financial hardship, and can be emotionally draining. For clients, it means losing trusted representation and facing delays in their cases. In the end, personal injury attorneys face disbarment when they violate core ethical standards, especially involving dishonesty, mishandling client funds, incompetence, or criminal acts. Following strict ethical rules helps protect clients and keeps the legal profession strong and trustworthy.